So now let's see how we can work with Windows speech recognition inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So to work with Windows speech recognition, I'm going to go over here onto the Cortana search and I'm going to type in speech right over here. So Windows speech recognition app then pops up. So let me just open this out right over here, and here it says welcome to speech recognition. So Cortana is the new feature that came with Microsoft Windows 10. Speech recognition came all the way when there was Windows Vista. So it's fairly an old feature and a different way to voice command your computer. So let's work around with this. So it says welcome to speech recognition because it's the first time that I'm starting with speech recognition right over here. So I'm going to press next right over here. So I'm going to be using a desktop microphone right over here, and I'm going to press next right over here. So it says proper microphone placement. It gives you like a way to place your microphone and so forth. So I'm just going to say yes. So here it says read the following sentence aloud in a natural speaking tone. So unlike Cortana, you do not need to be connected to the internet. So it tries the computer processor itself to process everything else. So I just need to read this out. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. Now I'm going to press next right over here. So this microphone is ready to be used with this computer, as you can see, and click next on setting up speech recognition, it says. So I'm just going to press next right over here. So over here, you say you can improve your computer's ability to recognize spoken words. So you do want to enable the document preview right over here and press next right over here. So you can choose what happens. So stop listening or start listening can activate the Windows speech recognition. So I'm just going to use the voice activation mode right over here, and then I'm going to press next right over here. Next, run speech recognition at startup. So you can also have this. I don't want that. I just want it to show you how it works. I don't want to use it every time. So I'm just going to uncheck that, and I'm going to press next. And you can start the tutorial or skip the tutorial right over here. So I'm just going to skip the tutorial, and here you go. There's the speech recognition right over here, which is sleeping. So you can just say start listening and it'll start listening. So I'm just going to say start listening. And then it starts listening, as you can see right over here. So what you can do is you can give it some commands, but it's not very fluent as the Cortana right over here. But you can use it to dictate as well. So I'm just going to go around here onto Notepad and start dictating it out. So right over here, there's the dictation topic right over here, which is narrative. So that's turned on. So I'm just going to start dictating. Hello there, how are you doing? So you can see that it actually dictates it out onto my notepad right over here. This is a fine weather. So you can see that that is how it dictates, and it can help you type out right over here. So just like this, Cortana Windows speech recognition can be used to dictate and to give some commands over here, but they're not as fluent as Cortana, as I said. So this is a fairly an old feature, but it still works for dictation and other things, even if you're not connected to the internet. So that is how we can utilize Windows speech recognition inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.